Welcome. I'm really glad you're here. Before we begin, let's gently arrive in this moment, not by rushing towards resolution, but by allowing yourself to be exactly where you are. Take a gentle breath in through your nose and release it slowly through your mouth. There's nothing you need to let go of immediately. Nothing you need to forgive right now. Just let yourself be here. This is a space to breathe, to relax, to remember who you are beneath the noise. Forgiveness is often misunderstood. It's confused with approval, with forgetting, with saying what happened didn't matter. That's not forgiveness. Forgiveness is release. It's the decision to stop carrying the weight of what cannot be changed. Resentment has an energetic cost. It keeps the body alert. It tightens the nervous system. It pulls attention backward again and again. Not because you're choosing to suffer, but because your system is trying to protect you from future harm. Forgiveness doesn't erase memory. It changes your relationship to it. It allows the past to stop living in the present. And this doesn't happen on demand. It happens in layers, at your pace. Let's explore forgiveness not as something owed, but as something that restores your energy. If it feels comfortable, allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze. Bring your attention into your body. Notice any place that feels heavy when you think about a past hurt. There's no need to relive the story. Just notice the sensation. Now gently bring to mind one situation that still carries emotional weight. Not the deepest wound, just something ready to be acknowledged. You are not here to minimize it. You are here to release its grip. Imagine writing a letter. This letter is not meant to be sent. It's meant to be honest. In it, you say what was hurtful, what it cost you, how it changed you. And then, only if it feels right. Write what you are ready to release, not to excuse, not to forget, but to reclaim your energy. Notice how your body responds to the idea of releasing. Even a little. Often there is space. Now gently remind yourself, forgiveness is for my freedom. I don't have to approve to release. I am allowed to let go in my own time. Let your nervous system hear that. You are not weak for forgiving. You are choosing relief. Take one slow breath in and release it fully. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Today's practice is simple. Write a forgiveness letter. You don't have to finish it. You don't have to send it. Just begin. Because forgiveness doesn't change the past, but it can change how much space it takes up inside of you. Your heart is ready, and whenever you need a reminder, I'll be right here.